Summer in Japan is fireworks season. Japanese fireworks are famous for producing perfect circles, bursting one on top of the other like flowers blossoming. This custom of summer fireworks events began about 300 years ago. The summer after a devastating famine struck Tokyo, the shogun put on a fireworks show to commemorate the victims. This inspired communities all over Japan to hold such events every summer. This Tokyo fireworks manufacturer has been in operation for 150 years. Kohei Ogatsu is proud of his traditional skills. I'm glad we still have so many fireworks artisans in Japan willing to spend the incredible time and effort required to create these effects. Each fireworks shell contains a large number of small gunpowder balls called stars. To produce a perfect sphere in the sky, these balls must be shaped and arranged inside the shell with incredible precision. An error of just millimeters at this stage can distort the final display by several meters. The beauty we see in the sky depends entirely on the artisan's skill. Ogatsu is devoted to his tradition, but he's also committed to exploring new potential for the craft. His collaborations with avant-garde performance groups are taking fireworks events into new territory. Our aim is to present an integrated entertainment. The performance, the lighting and the music are all tightly coordinated with the fireworks display going on above them. When designing an event, Ogatsu plans the shape, color and timing of the fireworks to closely match the music and the action of the performers. Often what I think will look best is not the same as what the performers or musicians are imagining. I might want to light a scene with one color of fireworks, but they'll ask for a very different look. It's the day of the event. Over 15,000 spectators are keen to see what new excitement the fireworks show will bring this year. Let's go! The theme of the performance this year is a space odyssey. As the first fireworks fill the sky, the stage is drenched in matching crimson. Next, the lighting changes to a pinkish gold. This performance now focuses on a single cyclist. Spinning faster and faster, his speed is exactly matched by the shells bursting above. These fireworks must be launched with hundredth of a second accuracy. This event featured 12,000 individual starbursts. The spectacle delights the watching crowds. That was superb, I really enjoyed it. I thought the way the fireworks matched the music was very moving. Ogatsu and his group are now taking their shows abroad, beginning with Singapore and Saudi Arabia. Fireworks have been a beloved summer custom in Japan for centuries. And now these traditional skills are lighting the sky in new and exciting ways.